Okay, guys. Questions, that I answer as Victor Anyanwu. I'm not going all spiritual, the oracle guy ahead. This is just me, regular me. Okay. So people have said that you have to be scared of competition. Competition, all that. I think competition is good. All right, you just have to know how to use them. Competition has its place. All right, I think they are a beautiful thing to have. For me, especially competition that I look up to, no competition that I'm better than. All right, competition that I look up to, they help me do a lot of my job. They help me do my work. Okay, 50% of your work is done by a competition. All right, they already know the audience you're looking for. They already know them. All right, they're already producing the type of things that the audience likes. So if you want to improve on stuff, look at them and improve. Right, all these guys working, connecting with their audiences, trying to improve, they're also studying the competition so that they do not become irrelevant. So whatever they are doing, they're doing it vis-a-vis, hey, what's the competition doing too? Do you understand what I'm talking about? So it's very important that you do that too. So whatever you are doing, whatever products you are creating, what's your competition doing? Can you take from there and improve what you are doing and become more relevant to that audience? Right? Because everything is about making the product work for the audience. So you have to come from the audience perspective. Do you understand? So competition is very important if you ask me. Now, some other people have talked about that guys can copy you, and when they copy your strategies, oh my god, you're going to think about this thing, you're going to find this thing, then they now copy it and they're deploying it, and you're like, man, all my work, this guy is copying it. Guys copy me all the time. I don't really give it down. I don't care. Copy, it means I'm ahead, I'm in front, and you are copying, so it's fine. Just keep copying. I did a search for myself one, and I saw lots of my content different places, people I've never heard of. All right, so it's fine. Copy me. All right, I'm a pioneer. I want to be a pioneer, so feel free to copy. All right, other entrepreneurs, other CEOs might not like it. I'm just talking about me, right? Copy. Okay, but you cannot copy my execution. Right? You can copy my tactics, copy my strategies, copy my plans. Heck, I share that all the time. I share all the things I use. I share my tools, I share my strategies. All right, remember SWAT? Strategies, weapons, and tactics. SWAT. All right, I share all my social media tools, I share all my social media tactics, all my strategies, on these platforms. All right, you can copy it. The difference is my execution, you can't copy. How do I mean? Okay, look at it this way. I probably get to work sometimes 7 a.m., 6 a.m. in the morning. And I can be at work till sometimes 1 a.m., 2 a.m., depending on what I'm doing. So 6 to 6 is 12 hours, right? So 12 hours, okay, 6 to 12 again is 6 hours. So that's 12 plus 6, that's 18 hours. So if I do till 1 a.m. or 2 a.m., I probably done 20 hours. Do you understand? Probably done 20 hours of work. So let's say I do between 18 and 20 hours of work every day. You might copy those strategies and those tactics, but I'm sure I will outwork you because I'm working 18 hours. How many hours are you working? All right. So when people talk about stealing your strategies or your tools or your strategies, I know it hurts. It's fine. It's fine to feel bad. Okay, but look at it this way: can they outwork you? All right, they should not be able to outwork you. Your competition should not outwork you. You should crush competition. How? By outworking them. Right? The strategies are there. Right? But you can crush competition by outworking them. So, how much time do you put in your craft? All right? If you do that, if you put in as much time in your craft, you won't feel bad that they are copying all this. copy, all right, go ahead and copy. You won't feel bad. No, you won't feel bad. All right. So I don't feel bad. All right. I'm actually glad. I actually want to be copied. All right. I want to hear someone say, according to Victor Anyanwu. Do you understand? According to the social media oracle. You know, you want to be quoted. You want people to write books about you. Yes, that's the whole idea. So why not let them copy? All right, because that is how you become unforgettable. That is how you become international. That is how you become rememberable. That is how you become the brand that you want. All right, if nobody is copying you, that means nobody is talking about you. You will die a natural death. Okay, even when I leave this world, people will still be talking about me. I'll have my books, my videos, my stuff everywhere. That's the idea. That is how you live forever. Okay, so don't be scared if they copy your strategies or your tactics. Okay, just keep developing more strategies and tactics. Be ahead. All right. So sometimes when they are copying one, I'm already 2 steps ahead. I've already created like 4, 5, 6, 7. All right. So I'm, ahead. So they're copying 1, 2, 3. I'm somewhere around 9, 10. You get the idea now. So it means they'll put you on your toes. Think about it. You see, that's the good thing. They'll put you on your toes. And because they put you on your toes, you have to keep working. You see it now. You have to keep working. Why do you have to keep working? Because they are coming. So because they are coming, you have to keep working. You see? So they serve their purpose. I think they're a good bunch, if you ask me. They're good guys. You just have to know how to use them. All right? So they can copy your strategies. They can copy your tactics. They know the tools. They can copy it and use all of them. But they cannot copy your execution. That's the difference. And that's what stands you out. They cannot copy your execution. So outwork them. Execute better. Have better relationships. All right? Be closer to your audience. All right? Be closer to the customers. Let the customers remember you. Be top of mind. You'll be the only one that your customers will be thinking about. Okay? All right, guys. Thank you very much. I'll take more questions next week. All right? See ya. Ciao, ciao.